Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan.
Hi, this is 𝗙𝗂𝗹𝗹 from Sharekhan Classroom, and I'm here to make you understand how can you apply for the most awaited upcoming LIC IPO as a LIC policyholder. First thing you need to know is, as per the proposed plan by the government, 10% of the entire issue size has been reserved for its policyholders. Which means, if you apply for the IPO as a policyholder, your chance of getting the allotment would be higher than a non-policyholder. In order to do this, you need to be aware about few things. I feel it's advisable that we have our updated contact details with LIC. So in case you have changed your mobile number or email address or the address, etc., and you have not changed it for the LIC policies, you can do this updation by following these simple steps. Log into the LIC's website and go to the e-services section. In the drop-down list there, select the option of KYC updation. Upload the updated documents. LIC would then be verifying those documents, and after a successful verification, your KYC will be updated with LIC.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.